I'm so fresh. Hey, babe, look at the man say. Hey, see, I know you ain't seen nothing like this. Yeah, all I know is now's the time to live in vision. Look in the mirror and say, everybody looking my way. I'm talking to you.
We look to you not just as high achievers, but as leaders of our university community. We hope you will continue to be team players, lifting your peers, sharing your knowledge, and creating a culture where excellence is within everyone's reach.
You're so fresh. I'll be your number one, yeah. I'm so fresh. Woo. Yeah. If you're looking for the answer, you know where I am. Looking up
For our achievers, to those who will be awarded today, my heartfelt congratulations. And I hope that it is not only today and this school year that you will shine. Please shine all the more. Especially so that this is the beginning of achieving more in life. Let us continue then as one Louisian community to celebrate excellence in our university. I would like to say thank you for all this and to God be the glory. Once again, thank you very much and God bless us all.
Yeah. Hey, baby. Yo.